So let's see now how the Android apps work and how exactly an Android app it transforms from a simple source code to a final app that runs on your mobile. Now first the Android Studio changes the approach. It uses Gradle to automate and manage the build process. And how the process starts is by the source code. You write a source code in Java and you got all the resources in there, and this source code is compiled to Java class files, and those class files are then further compressed to make a text file. Now since the mobile it doesn't have the resources that a common desktop has, so the class files are further compressed to a text file. All the resources that you add, the drawables and other things, they are added to this. The uncompiled resources, if you add any audio file or a video file which are part of the assets or raw folder, they are added to this. And finally the manifest file that holds all the resources of the application together. These all files are coupled together to form the APK file. Now once you have the APK file, you can't directly use this APK file to be loaded on the mobile. You need to sign the APK file. Now if you just testing the app, you can use a debug key to sign the app, and if you're using the app to now upload to the Google Play, you need a commercial key to sign the app. Now once you sign the app with some key, debug or commercial key, you can then install this on a device, or you can upload this to the Google Play and let the public or anybody else who wants to download and run the app, you can do so. So starting from the Java source code, you compile this, convert into text file, add all the resources, uncompiled, compiled, the manifest files, it gets together in the APK file. You sign the APK, and then this is the final file that you upload to the device or you upload to the Google Play. So this is how the entire process works, and then now we'll see how exactly we go through each step on this.